Fashion power. In recent years, Kazakhstan has undergone a massive transformation. The country has become increasingly diverse, taking cultural influences from all over the world and blending them with its own. Now, thanks to the prosperity brought on by its booming economy, the stage is set for the Kazakhs to become major players in world fashion, and some domestic designers are already turning heads with their innovative creations. Kazakhstan is still relatively new to the world of contemporary fashion, having established the Kazakhstan Union of Designers in 1987 and their very own Fashion Week as recently as 2004. As the world's largest landlocked country, the importation of raw material has been a consistent issue, as fabrics imported from abroad were often of inferior quality. However, recent investments have brought about a huge increase in domestic textile production, guaranteeing that local designers have the best resources at their disposal. As a result, they've gained a reputation for high-quality clothing, with designers representing their country at internationally renowned events like Paris Fashion Week. By combining contemporary trends with national motifs, Kazakh designers have found a market niche and have seen increasing consumer demand with each passing year. Consequently, their fashion industry has gone from strength to strength. With a strong and stable economy and talented designers finally getting the attention they deserve, things are definitely looking up for the fashionistas of Kazakhstan.